guys, it's Izzy here, and today we are going to be doing an unboxing video. I have two packages here, one from eBay and one from Pop in a Box. I recently brought my subscription back with them just because I've missed it, and I haven't had a Funko subscription since I ended mine with theirs, which was like back in September of last year. So I just wanted to be getting more Funko Pops, and it's fun because you don't know what you're gonna get. But let's get into this video. I hate filming in here, but my carpet in my room where I usually film is a mess because my dog has been having accidents lately. I don't know what's up because she's not a puppy, so I don't know. But our eBay package right here, I'm making sure not to show anybody's address. I have no idea what it is because I always forget stuff I order on eBay. It may not even be a Funko Pop, but I think this box is like the perfect size for one, and it is coming to us from Eagan, Minnesota. I can't, it's handwritten, so I can't really tell. But yeah, I sell stuff on eBay. It's only a link down below. I have some stuff up there right now. It should still be up there by the time this video is uploaded, but it may not be, but I will be putting stuff up there tomorrow. Okay, yeah, this is a Funko Pop. So here it is. I just type in Funko Pops on there, and if it's one that is on my list that I want and at a reasonable price, like I think I got this for $7. Something like that. I mean, that's cheaper than you get them in the store. Yeah, it says $12 on the box is what they paid in. Oh my gosh, look. Thank you for your order. So nice of them. Yeah, I always put my business cards in there for when I ship Funko Pops, but or anything. But it is the Fluffy and Fierce. This is, or Furry and Fierce, sorry. Furry and Fierce Hot Topic times Build-A-Bear exclusive, which who would have thought they would have gone together. But two of my favorite places. Build-A-Bear was like my favorite place as a kid. Like I literally have one of the Cup condos right there because I'm using it as a trash can because yeah. And then Hot Topic. I love Hot Topic. Look, I'm wearing a rock and roll shirt, but this is from the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. But yeah, this is just a bear with a mohawk, earrings, eyeliner. Just, it's a pretty cool pop. There's the back. And yeah, I have the Hot Topic Girl Funko Pop as well, so that is nice. So it's not really in a line. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. Should it be an ad icon? So tell me down below in the comments which section of pops I should put it in. So we are moving over to Pop in a Box. The box is upside down because the address is like on two sides, but Pop in a Box comes from, these packages come from Shepherdsville, Kentucky. It says Kentucky 2 times. I think I got this good enough. So I see them, and I don't think I have either of these. So that's really nice. You can list the ones that you want. So I hope I didn't get any of these for my birthday, but if I did, I can just sell them. But we have Eddie Kasprak from It. I only get it once in here. The box is kind of, I don't know if y'all can tell, like right there. Like I can do that one on, like, you know, I can't do it right there. So, I mean, that's fine. I love Eddie. He has the iconic cast that says that Greta, I don't know if she pronounces it Bowie or Bowie, wrote Loser on, and then I forgot who wrote Lover on it, or if he did. But one of them did that. So I did read the book It, it's in the movie It. I can't wait for the second one. But we have Eddie. And then we have Moonwalker from Fortnite. I don't have this skin in Fortnite, but I am trying to get all the Fortnite pops, and there are literally tons of them. But it is probably, should I say it's my favorite video game? It's my favorite like multiplayer game because I have met so many awesome people through Fortnite, and then I play it with my IRL friend, shout out Curran. Yeah, so Fortnite is a good time. Sims is like, I've been playing Sims for literally forever, so that is another favorite game. But for multiplayer and for like a killing game, it would be Fortnite. So this is just the Moonwalker skin. She's pretty badass. Oh my gosh, my eyes are watering. Fortnite's making me cry. But yeah, so those are the pops that I got in my Pop in the Box this month. And then from eBay today, we got Furry and Fierce. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye guys. Bonus, if you stayed till the very end, it is my birth month of July, so now I will be having my Amazon wish list down below in the description box. Don't feel obligated to buy me any gifts, but it would be really awesome if y'all could. Thank you!